I'm Team Gamer, you're from Family Gaming.
And this is Kid Gamer.
And this is an unboxing for the Lego Incredibles game.
We don't know on what system though.
Because we said we don't have a preference.
Yeah, we don't, but...
It says to open, lift, tab, and pull quickly, but that didn't work. So...
it's time to
grab that.
I would just grab red. What if there's paper in there?
Yeah, that's why I'm not using red. So this is what happens every time I use the scissors. There is paper in there. That's important. Still on the table.
This is just fun. Wow.
Alright. Does it open here? Yes, it does. Alright.
No, there's actually 2 games in there.
Hold on. Oh, that's why it felt like that. There's a Switch one and an Xbox one. Therefore, it felt like this, but it's not a special edition.
And there's
which is
no
what
paper.
someone who's back there was thinking.
Yeah, and there's no piece of paper, so...
It says something about 2 incredible films, 1 incredible game. I think it's probably through 1 and 2. There's not really anything else on the back other than the fact that it's 2-player co-op, which means it's not like the normal Lego game's going to be a little less for the family, because it's only going to be able to be 2 people playing at once. Let's see. Yeah, only 2 no matter how you do it. Not even Switch. There's not really much else we can open it. I mean, we could open Switch or Xbox. I don't know which one we're going to open. I guess Switch is his newest.
Yeah, the Xbox will be the oldest.
I don't know if there's going to be any differences or if they just sent us 2 for no reason. Alright, some ad for Lego Juniors. There's probably an ad in there as well.
Yeah.
Let's see, is it cheat codes or something? Incredibles cheat codes. Go to legosurvey.com/theincredibles. Give short feedback about the Lego video game and unlock some awesome cheat codes. Here is the URL to said website if you want the cheat codes. It should be visible. So I'm holding it right in front of the camera. Here's the case.
Case after it.
There's not really much in here. There's a game I could lick it, but I mean, it's gonna taste terrible. So
we did that last time.
No, we didn't do it last time. I think Dad did it with like Breath of the Wild or something.
Oh yeah, he did that with Wild.
See if there's any differences with the Xbox. I know I'm destroying any value this has by opening it.
You see, we didn't buy this. We
were provided 2 for some reason.
And for some reason they sent it to us, so... I think this is all from the Lego company, I'm guessing. I'm not positive. But it came from California, so...
Why are they not coming off? It's really stuck.
Yeah, really sticky tape there.
No, the tape's not sticky, it's just stuck, like it wouldn't rip.
Yeah. And look at, you also got Ice, you got Iceman in there. And you got
Frozone, it's so far nothing too spoil or heavy or anything. There's not really much of anything to talk. Yeah, it's just another Lego Junior ad, same thing, just a bit bigger.
Yeah, so we have the small one, now we got the big one. I mean,
and then here's the disc. I mean, that's really it. There's nothing else we can say. There's not much on the back to read, other than the fact that it has both the Incredibles games. And if we said anything, it would probably spoil the plot.
And it says you can also use a Switch Pro.
Yeah, that has
controller.
nothing to do with. That has nothing to do with anything. That's just controls, and it doesn't say anything about
this is
Pro.
basically just 2 of the same exact game.
We don't know if there's going to be any variants. Maybe there's some Nintendo exclusive content or something. But I think that's it. There's not really anything to go over. I'd like to thank everyone for watching and say you have a wonderful rest of your day.